Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of ABAP Explained. In this video, I wanted to show you how you can count the occurrences of a specific entry in an internal table. It's a popular case, so I'm gonna show you three ways how you can do it. Two are pretty basic, using loop if and a loop where, which is kind of the new syntax. Maybe you also don't know how to do it. That's why I wanted to show you all three. And the most interesting for me and for you probably also is the reduce operator. Let's jump into it. We have this sFlights table. We do a select, selecting all the fields. You probably shouldn't be using the star symbol, but it's only 90 something records, so I wanted to select all. And let's do the first case. We're just looping around on LT flights, assigning field symbol. You should also always do assigning field symbol. If you're not doing it, you should probably start using it. And it's gonna be a simple if statement, checking if our car name is equal to C car name. In my case, it's Lufthansa. I did a constant for that, and if it finds this record, it will sum the value to a variable lf sum if. So we just add +1. Fairly simple. That's the first way. At the end, I'm gonna show you that the values are the same, that it's not wrong. Let's just copy this one and do a loop where. So the case is pretty similar. For this one, we just need to deal the field symbol because we already have defined this variable here, this field symbol. So we just do assigning LT flight where car name is equal to our variable, to our constant. And then we can get rid of this if. And as you can see, it's much shorter in the syntax, so you probably never should use this one, but you should start using this where condition. It looks much better, the code is much cleaner. And now the interesting part, the reduce operator. So to do that, I'm gonna dynamically define some variable, alpha some r. So it's like reduce equal to reduce. Here I'm gonna define the type of the variable, so it's an integer. Inside of it, I'm gonna declare some temporary variable just for the operation of the reduce. It's not gonna be a field symbol. I might do a field symbol, but let's just do a normal variable. So init x is equal to 0. This is our counter. We're gonna add values to it, similar to here and here. So we're gonna use a for loop, looping around our table. So for item in LT flights, so for every item in LT flights, where the car ID, car name is equal to C car name. And when it finds this record, it should next x plus 1. Yeah, so basically what the syntax is saying count every occurrence of an item with the car name C car name, and just add the value to our counter. So init is initializing a temporary variable. Here's a for loop. So for every line in LT flights where it's equal to C car name, it's gonna add 1 to our variable, and then it's gonna assign it to this alpha sum r variable. Yeah, so it's not so hard. I would say it's also much cleaner. It's the new syntax. I like to use it. I always like to use the new syntax. So to test that, let's just see if the sums are equal. Let's maybe just activate. There's no errors. Nice. And as you can see here, the values are the same. I can assure you the reduce one is the fastest. So yeah, maybe there's some way where you wouldn't use the reduce. Maybe your ABAP, your subsystem is a bit older, then you should probably use the where. And if that's not the case, you should use this loop add, maybe with an into data instead of this assigning field symbol. But you're probably here for the new syntax, so that's how you can do it. This is the reduce operator, pretty simple. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, a subscription, and see you next time.